Gurjada Venkata Apparao, born on 21st September 1862 in S. Rayavaram, Madras Presidency, British India, now in Andhra Pradesh, India. Gurjada Venkata Apparao was an Indian playwright, dramatist, poet, and writer known for his works in Telugu theatre. Gurjada Venkata Apparao wrote the play Kanyasukam in 1892, which is considered as the greatest play in the Telugu language. One of the pioneers of Indian theatre, Gurjada Venkatapparao holds the titles Kavishekara and Abhyudaya Kavita Pitamahudu. In 2010, Gurjada Venkata Apparao scripted the widely known Telugu patriotic song దేశమును ప్రేమించుమన్నా మంచి ఎన్నది పెంచుమన్నా ఒట్టి మాటలు కట్టిపెట్టు. గురజాడ వెంకటప్పారావు